Asnish HD Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. Good audio performance from the built-in speaker. Excellent customer service. Clean and crisp picture. A great replacement of traditional TV. Good color performance. The audio can be adjusted as per your preference. Focus knob for more picture clarity. According to many users, the Asnish wireless projector is good, clean, blur-free, and easy to use. It features various input and output connection ports for easy device connection. Cons. If you place the projector close to your wall, the picture frame will get smaller. That's it, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.